Imagine pulling into a quiet countryside lane and spotting a home that looks like it belongs on the cover of a modern farmhouse magazine, except it's surprisingly small. Today we're exploring a modern farmhouse tiny house that proves luxury doesn't have to come with a massive price tag. This home blends rustic charm with smart design, creating a space that feels warm, stylish, and surprisingly spacious. If you've ever wondered whether a tiny house can truly feel luxurious without draining your savings, stay with us, because this home might completely change the way you think about small living. From the very first glance, the exterior sets the tone for something special. Crisp white siding contrasts beautifully with dark window frames, giving the home that classic modern farmhouse look people love. A small covered porch welcomes you in, offering just enough space for a pair of chairs and a morning coffee ritual. The metal roof adds durability and character, while subtle wood accents bring warmth to the overall design. But the real surprise is how this compact structure manages to look both cozy and sophisticated at the same time. Before stepping inside, it's worth appreciating the thoughtful architecture behind this tiny home. Every angle, window placement, and roofline has been carefully planned to make the house feel larger than it really is. Large windows flood the interior with natural light, while the elevated roof creates an airy sense of openness. What makes this home truly fascinating is how the designers balance practicality with beauty, ensuring that every inch of space serves a purpose while still maintaining that inviting farmhouse aesthetic. Open the front door and you're immediately greeted by a living space that feels far bigger than you might expect. Soft neutral tones, natural wood textures, and farmhouse-style decor instantly create a welcoming atmosphere. A compact yet comfortable sofa sits beneath a bright window, making it the perfect place to relax after a long day. Floating shelves and clever storage solutions keep the room organized without making it feel crowded. And just wait until you see how this living room flows seamlessly into the rest of the home. Next comes a kitchen that proves tiny doesn't mean sacrificing style. White shaker cabinets, butcher block countertops, and matte black fixtures combine to create that signature modern farmhouse look. Despite the limited space, the kitchen includes everything you need: full sink, compact appliances, and smart cabinetry that maximizes storage. Open shelving displays simple dishes and rustic decor, adding personality without overwhelming the room. But what really makes this kitchen impressive is how it manages to feel both practical and beautifully designed. Right beside the kitchen, a cleverly designed dining area makes mealtime feel special even in a tiny house. Instead of a bulky dining table, a slim built-in counter with stools offers a cozy spot for breakfast, dinner, or even working from home. Positioned near a window, the space enjoys natural light and outside views that make it feel open and connected to nature. It's a simple idea, but one that perfectly demonstrates how thoughtful design can transform a small corner into a meaningful gathering space. One of the biggest surprises in this tiny farmhouse home is the bathroom. Rather than feeling cramped, it feels calm, bright, and almost spa-like. A glass-enclosed shower keeps the room visually open, while white tiles and wood accents maintain the farmhouse theme. Compact storage cabinets keep essentials neatly tucked away, and a stylish vanity adds a touch of elegance. It's proof that even the smallest rooms in a home can feel luxurious when the design focuses on simplicity and smart layout choices. A charming wooden ladder leads us to the loft bedroom, and this might be the coziest part of the entire home. The sloped ceiling and soft lighting create a peaceful retreat that feels tucked away from the rest of the house. A comfortable mattress fits perfectly in the space, while small side shelves provide room for books, phones, or nighttime essentials. Windows on both sides bring in fresh air and morning light, making this loft feel surprisingly open rather than confined. What truly sets this tiny house apart is how it achieves a luxurious feel without expensive materials or oversized spaces. The secret lies in thoughtful choices, consistent color palettes, natural textures, and simple farmhouse elements that elevate the design. Instead of filling the home with decorations, each piece has a purpose and adds character. These small design decisions create a cohesive look that feels high-end, proving that luxury is more about intention than square footage. This modern farmhouse tiny house shows us that living small doesn't mean living with less beauty, comfort, or style. From the charming exterior to the cozy loft bedroom, every corner of this home demonstrates how smart design can transform limited space into something truly special. It's not just about downsizing, it's about living more intentionally and creating a home that reflects warmth and simplicity. And if a tiny house like this can deliver luxury on a small budget, imagine what possibilities might be waiting for your own dream home.